Are you feeling stuck? Like you're just going through the motions? Do you ever dream of a life with more freedom, more purpose, and more control? What if I told you that the key to unlocking that life isn't some secret formula, but something you already possess? It's your youth, your energy, and your time. Right now, in this very moment, you are sitting on a gold mine of potential. The problem is, most of us are taught to trade this gold mine away for a steady paycheck and a predictable path, slowly draining our most valuable resources until we wake up one day wondering where all the time went. But it doesn't have to be this way. Today, we're not just talking about changing your life. We're talking about redesigning it from the ground up, using the incredible power of your youth and energy as the primary building blocks for a future defined by freedom. Think about it. When you're young, you have an abundance of energy and a higher tolerance for risk. This is your prime time for learning, experimenting, and building. Every hour you spend acquiring a new skill, building a side project, or investing in your knowledge is like planting a seed that will grow into a massive tree of opportunity later on. It's the concept of front-loading the effort, instead of working at a steady soul-crushing pace for 40 or 50 years. What if you worked with intense, focused passion for 10 to 15 years, building systems, assets, and skills that generate freedom for the rest of your life? This isn't about burning out, it's about burning bright with intention. It's about consciously deciding to invest your most valuable, non-renewable, asset-sure, youthful, energent ventures that will pay dividends for decades. Let's look at some real-life examples. Think of Peter Levels, the creator of Nomad List. He spent his 20s living frugally, teaching himself to code, and relentlessly launching small projects. He poured his energy not into climbing a corporate ladder, but into building his own. Many of his projects failed, but each failure was a lesson. Then, he built a simple spreadsheet to help digital nomads find the best places to live and work. That spreadsheet evolved into Nomad List, a platform that now generates a substantial passive income, giving him the ultimate freedom to live and work from anywhere in the world. He didn't wait for permission. He invested his youthful energy into creating his own reality. Or consider the story of a friend of mine. Let's call her Sarah. Fresh out of college, she took a standard marketing job, but instead of just doing her 9 to 5, she dedicated her evenings and weekends to mastering freelance copywriting. She spent 2 years in intense learning mode, taking cheap gigs on Upwork, reading every book on marketing she could find, and building a portfolio. It was exhausting. Her friends were out socializing, but she was grinding. After 2 years, she had built a roster of high-paying clients. She quit a job, started her own one-person ahinki, and now earns 3 times her old salary working half the hours. She front-loaded the hard work. She invested her energy when it was at its peak. And now, in her late 20s, she has a level of freedom most people don't find until retirement. She travels, chooses her projects, and is in complete control of her schedule. The common thread here isn't genius or luck. It's the strategic allocation of energy. These people treated their time and vitality like an investment portfolio. Instead of diversifying their energy across a dozen distractions, they concentrated it on high-leverage activities. For Levels, it was coding and building products. For Sarah, it was mastering a high-income skill. So, what are your high-leverage activities? What skills, if you develop them, would dramatically increase your future freedom? Maybe it's learning to code, becoming a master salesperson, building an online audience, or learning how to invest in real estate. The specific path doesn't matter as much as the principle. Invest your energy, don't just spend it. So, how do you start? First, you need to conduct a life audit. Where's your energy actually going? Track your time for 1 week. Be brutally honest. How many hours are lost to mindless scrolling, binge-watching shows you don't even like, or complaining about things you can't change? This isn't about making you feel guilty. It's about identifying the leaks in your energy tank. Every hour you reclaim from a low-value activity is an hour you can reinvest into a high-value one. This is your seed capital. Second, define your freedom. What does it actually look like for you? Is it financial independence? Is it the ability to travel the world? Is it having the time to pursue a creative passion? Be specific. A vague goal like I want to be free is useless. A specific goal like I want to earn $5,000 a month from my side business within 2 years so I can work remotely is a target you can aim for. This definition of freedom becomes your North Star, guiding every decision you make about how to invest your time and energy. Third, choose your vehicle. This is the skill or asset you're going to build. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one thing, whether it's building a YouTube channel, starting a dropshipping store, learning a trade, or getting a certification in a high-demand field. Commit to it. Go all in. The first few years are about building momentum. It's like pushing a giant flywheel. The first few turns are incredibly difficult and require immense effort. You push, and it barely moves. This is where most people give up. They don't see immediate results, so they quit. But if you keep pushing with consistent, focused energy, the flywheel starts to turn faster and faster. Eventually, it gains so much momentum that it starts spinning on its own, requiring only minimal effort to keep it going. That is the point where you achieve freedom. The hard work you invested early on is now working for you. This journey requires sacrifice. There's no way around it. It might mean saying no to parties, waking up early, or living more frugally than your peers. It means embracing delayed gratification. While others are buying the latest gadgets and going on expensive vacations, you might be investing that money into courses, books, or your business. You are playing the long game. You're trading short-term comfort for long-term freedom. And let me tell you, that trade is worth it 1,000,000 times over. The feeling of waking up on a Tuesday morning and knowing your day is yours to command is a feeling that no consumer product can ever provide. So I want to leave you with this powerful call to action. Don't let your youth and energy just slip away. Don't be a passive passenger in your own life. Be the architect. Be the designer. Start today. Reclaim 1 hour from a passive activity and dedicate it to an active, skill-building one. Read a book instead of scrolling. Watch a tutorial instead of another sitcom. Write a blog post instead of just consuming content. 1 hour a day is over 365 hours a year. In a few years, that small, consistent investment of energy will compound into a life you can't even imagine right now. Your future self is begging you to start. They're counting on the sacrifices you make today to build the freedom they will enjoy tomorrow. The power is in your hands. Redesign your life. Start now. Thanks for watching. And if this message resonated with you, make sure to subscribe for more content to help you build your best life. See you in the next one.